Alright, so this amount of money you're seeing on your screen is so easy to earn, and I'm here to show you how. You see, Timebucks is a get to pay site that pays you to post on Facebook, view funny slideshow, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, and answer survey. To start making money, all you have to do is to click on sign up button, enter your email, password, repeat password, and tick the I am not a robot captcha, and then click on sign up. Now you will need to verify your details, and to do that you need to head over to your email address and click the verification link that was sent to you from Timebucks. After that, go to your profile and fill in the details there. Very important, you have to do this. Make sure you use your real name. Now if you've done all of this stuff I've shown you to do, it's time to start making the kind of money you see on your screen. Go over to click on earn, and on the survey section you get to see what survey are available. All you have to do is to complete the survey to start earning. Now sometimes survey will pop up where you can earn over $1, like the one you're seeing on the screen. In such cases, it's good you just take the action immediately to take that survey, because if you don't take it, someone else is going to take it and earn off the survey. Now you can see surveys others have completed as well on my screen. You can imagine someone who has earned over $0.7 to $8 on just this tax. So imagine doing similar tasks like this, say 5 times in a day. I mean, this is about $3.64. I mean, sparing time to do something similar to this isn't bad at all. I mean, it's just passive income, Another thing you can do is to click on the content, and you discover that there are tasks that you can complete as well in the content section. Also in the task section, you will see a lot of tasks you can take on to earn. You can see that completing all of these tasks here at this present moment right now can fetch you about $3.9 US. Also, you can earn by inviting your friends. You can invite them over to earn 15% commission on their earnings. So if your friend is earning say $10, you earn about 15% on their earnings on tasks they are completing on the platform as well. So once you reach the $5 threshold, you get to do what is called ID verification. Also, if you go to the offer word, there are a lot of tasks to earn from. I mean, lots of cash to grab here. You can earn money from even playing games. Just imagine this insane amount of money I'm seeing right here. Just look at them. Now you get paid from Timebucks once you've reached the threshold, and the threshold sum is actually $10 US. So to get started, you have to click on the link in the description of this video. If you're watching this video from my site, you can click here to join button below to get started. And that's it, guys. Please click on the subscribe button for more of this kind of content, and also feel free to tell me what you think about Timebucks in the comment section.